It's a great day, it's snowing, and new case. So today we're actually going to take this video by a different route. But yep, today we're actually going to be unboxing Disney Cars Case 2021 Singles Case D, which of course you guys know who I got this by. Get Me Collectibles. He is the reliable source. He works for Mattel. He is the best distributor ever. Make sure you, of course, if you don't know him, just go buy a case of him. He is one of the cheapest. Send him an email. He will most likely give you a case for like cheaper than what you would buy in stores. But yeah, I do have this case next to me with all the cars in it from Case D. You can see some of the highlights. But of course, because I don't have enough space, I'll be doing it this way. And we'll be taking this video by a different approach. So I hope you guys like long videos because, you know, let's, of course... Well, I guess hope you guys like long videos, and let's start off with this case. So, we're going to start off with the first release from this case, and that is, of course, Green Ramon. So what I'm going to do is actually going to move my camera over a little bit for today's video, just because I haven't got enough space. But yep, it is currently snowing, and the packaging is a bit cold. It's actually really cold, wow. But yep, we can see Ramon. It just says Ramon here. That's a little bit odd. But, yeah, we're going to be taking a look at all these cars. Not opening them up, but compare them to their original China counterparts. So, shout out to Piston Cup Productions for originally starting off this series. And so, let's start off with the video. So, Green Ramon, he's got his usual print job here. Artwork, Cars logo, Mattel. There we go. On the back, no other new releases. Of course, we've got some highlights in this case, which we won't be taking too much paying attention to. But I do have the China Ramon on the side here. So the main differences are his back windows, as you can see, because you now have that Radiator Springs logo on the inside. He is now made in Thailand. Of course, he's got the plastic eyes. Pretty sweet, actually, of a release. Pretty cool. Don't know why it doesn't say Green Ramon, but yep. Anyways, that is Ramon, the first one from the case. Now let's go on to another one, which I actually have reviewed before, so we're not going to be taking a too much closer look at this one, and that is Taco. So, you know, check out my review on Taco. You can see that on my channel if you just search up Taco. This is, of course, his third release in the case, I believe. 2 cases now. The back hasn't changed. Yep, we can see. And here is Taco. Make sure, of course, you've watched that video. Put him aside. He's not a main highlight. On to the next car. We've got a new Thailand release, which is Cars 3 Murray Clutchburn. Interstate 290. Hello, if you're watching this, because I know you would be. If you're watching up to this point, you can see this is the Thailand variant of Murray. But for some reason, they put the Cars 1 artwork of Murray on here, which I don't know why. They always make this mistake. At least he's still Murray Clutchburn. Sputter stop, pretty cool. Of course, I did bring out my China Murray, so that, you know, trying to, you know, drop him. Let's take a closer look. The eyes seem to be a bit blurry, but the colour is actually darker on him. Teal colour still, pretty cool. Yep, anyways, here's the back of the packaging. Ooh, yep, we're not going to talk about that. But yeah, we're going to put him over here for now because he is a highlight. So, you know, there's Murray. Next one on the list is another highlight, and that is Ruby Easy Oaks. We can see, again, I will get out the Piston Cup Cars 1 race for you guys. Quickly show. I will be doing videos of these in the near future, so make sure you subscribe. But yeah, we can see the Thailand iPlate. 51. Easy Idle. Pretty sick. Ruby Easy Oaks, no other languages. Pretty sick artwork. And here's the back. Again, not too much main difference. Not really that much of a highlight. But glad he is getting a re-release nonetheless. So we're going to put this aside and take a look at the next 2 cars in this case, which you can probably expect unboxings of. We're not going to be talking too much about this one, but it is the Easter Buggy. So we're going to put one aside, so we do get 2 in the case. The Easter Buggy, El Cornito de Pescusa, I cannot speak any other languages. I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, Easter buggy, pretty cool. Cars logo. We can see the Chinese release here in the background. Yep, on the back, no new releases as of such. But very happy that this guy got released, especially if there's two, and now in Thailand form. So hopefully by Easter you guys can find him, because it is actually a really good Easter present. So that is the first row completed. Now on to the second row. So we're going to skip out one of the cars on the second row for the time being and go straight to the peg warmer Rusty's Lightning McQueen. Yep, you know what? Done. Already showed him. Go watch out my channel for that. Here's a nice sick highlight. Courtney Casper. Of course, we got her. Well, her first release was 2015, I believe, or 2016, with the red background packaging. Pretty cool fan, not gonna lie. We haven't had any 95 fans from Cars 2 in a while. She is a Fiat. I will bring out the Chinese release for you guys. Mine is a bit dented, so you know, I am actually glad for a release. And her colour is actually a bit different. You can clearly see that on camera. You can see the colour difference. Her rims are also different, because now there's a hole where there isn't a rim. But yeah, again, her expression, same expression. On the back, yay, no more Cars Rusty's Lightning McQueen on the back. Pretty sweet. Cars 2. Very, very light. She's going to go right here in the background for now. Actually, no. I'm going to put her on my bed, but a bit further up because, you know, here's another sweet highlight for the case, which is one I'm looking forward to. His second release ever. His first release was in 2013. And, guys, if you like the colour gold, I would definitely buy Mildred Bylane because look at the colour difference. It's like metallic gold. This is the China release. This is the Thailand one. And I absolutely love this one. And he is really, really heavy. Like, massively heavy. I'm not going to even lie. Stick artwork. I really do like that artwork. Yep. The front here. You can see his smile. Pretty cool. I do like this one. On the back, not many other releases that we knew of. Dizzy Flow. Yep. Pretty cool. Another re-release for the case. Well, actually, we've got two of this time. So, we've got two Jambalaya Chimichangas. Starting to become a peg warmer. But, maybe it's a bit different. It looks a bit different from, like, the original Thailand one, which I do have. But, just so then this is a China versus Thailand video, we will compare the two. Because this is the China one. See the Thailand eyes. The spots are different. Wheels are the same. This is the Bobber Thai release, as you can see. Yep. Do like Jambalaya with the spots. You can see all the Cars 3 cars on the back because it's the one from the first case. Pretty cool. And we do get two in the case. So I will be keeping one and selling the other one. So make sure you check out our eBay store for that. Anyways, the last one on this row is a new release. I cannot wait to review this guy on my birthday because technically I'm not allowed this case to my birthday. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Anyways, Ducky Font Leroy, also known as Donald Duck in Spanish. It just looks awesome because Peter Donald is Donald Duck in Spanish. I'm 100% sure. But yep, I really like that slogan. Cheerio, old toots. That's just amazing. New logo. He looks pretty sick. Metal on the back. Other cars. But yeah, I am happy that we're getting more Duck Racing Day Legend races now. It just makes the video so much cooler. Of course, he is 100% a highlight. So, Murray Clutchburn, you can now move and be taken off the time thing for the time being. On to the third row now. Another sick re-release, which is what everyone's been looking for a very long time. And that is Mama Baloney, aka Francesco's mum. Mattel logo there. There's her artwork, which I do like. I do have the China release. Her hair is a completely different colour, as you might be able to see on camera. Not 100% sure if you can see. She's still not a unibody. Coming from Thailand. How odd. Yeah, that is Mama Baloney. Again, the back is the same as Courtney Casper's. Very sick highlight for sure. Oh, we could just skip over this guy completely. Dad guy. definitely did not drop my camera there for like the second time. But yeah, on to another new release, which is I am looking absolutely 100% forward to reviewing, and that is Racing Red Jackson Storm. Look at that. That artwork is sick. That paint job is sick. You can see that metallic red paint. I absolutely love it. On the back, we can now see the other ones. We are getting a Sally soon. Probably in the very next case, who knows. But that just looks amazing. The S logo. Whew. Of course, not reviewing this one too much because then oh look, he's got no rookie racing stripes. Is mine an error? Oh no way, it's the Piston Cup Champion one, look. So, he's got the Piston Cup logo. So this is the Piston Cup Champion version of Jackson Storm. Wow. I'm happy with that. So mine is not an error, he's the Piston Cup Champion version. I can't wait to crack this open eventually, when I get a second one, my birthday. Which shouldn't be showing you now. Anyways, another Cars 2 release, or re-release, is Zuki. Which, of course, these ones are actually different from their China counterparts. If you look at the wheels, her wheels are different colour, and they've got holes in now. And her windows are different. Of course, her eyes are completely blurry as heck. But yeah, we can see Zuki. Pretty cool. Again, Zuki. Anyways, that's that one. And then for the last two on this row, which is two brand new releases, which was previously cancelled, which is not cancelled anymore, so why are people still trying to back this China one, is this fabulous Lightning McQueen in this paint job, of course, with bunny ears. Yes, it's just a regular Lightning McQueen, like that, but the regular one with bunny ears. I know, it's just a piece of plastic, guys, but I'm very happy for this release. I will be doing an unboxing of that one, probably today or tomorrow, depending on how long I've got left and what my phone percentage is on. So, yep, can't wait. New release, pretty cool on the back. There is two in the case, so you know, one's to open and one to keep. Pretty cool, can't wait. Now on to the final row. Well, actually this row is kind of bad, not going to lie. But on this final row, there is actually a new Thailand variant for me. If you would open up now. Come on. It's, hey Alan Aiken-Axler, which is apparently, according to Smith's Toy Superstore, his full initial name. So we can see, pretty cool. Won't be doing a video on this, but quickly showing it to you guys now. With, of course, the China variant, which was not released for a very long time, actually. But yep, that's his artwork on the back. Oh look, you can see Lizzie. So this is literally just a carryover from Case A. Wow, Mattel is so cheap. Anyways, going on to like the bottom row now, or the second one, we've got Aiden. Glad this one's getting re-released because he was trying to get hard of. He is the number 3 racer. He does have those window bars now, as you can see. So that is of course, different. Actually, no, this one does have the window bars. So it's the metal window bars. Strange. Yeah, he's got those blurry rims, as you can see. Blurry eyes. He's literally just a repaint of Tom W. No, I'm not. Well, you pretty much are. Yeah, anyways, let's move you over here. Move. There's his artwork. Pretty cool. Again, same cars on the back. Not really interested. One that's actually not been on pegs for a while is Pat Traxon. I do already have the Thailand one open, so I can't exactly do China versus Thailand. So, sorry I kind of failed you guys with this video. But, yeah. Anyways, that is his packaging, rather than artwork. There's the back. Carryover from the previous case, JHollis. I'm glad that they're actually doing like 2, and then in the third case, they're doing like another one. I don't need him, so I will sell him on to buy like more cases in the future. Do like JD. Check out my review on him. Just search up JHollis. And for the last two, we have actually got 2 JHollises, which I've actually already pre-recorded a video on JHollis unboxing, so I do not need one of these, so one of these can go. But yeah, quickly for you guys, so you know if you're new. If you might not watch my JHollis video, you can see the window bars, different coloured spoiler, different coloured hood, different base, of course, different everything. Yep, artwork, I love that artwork. That artwork is one of my favourites, not gonna lie. And of course, here is the bag. So that does end today's video on, of course, these cars here. Got a lot of tidying up to do. Appreciate everyone for watching this far into the premiere, if I'm doing a premiere on it, because of how late in the day it actually is. If you guys are new, please make sure you leave a like. Subscribe if you are new. Of course, my videos are not made for kids. You know, YouTube copper, go away. I did swear. Sorry about that. But yeah, I'm only doing that because I don't want my comments being turned off. If I do that, then people can see my comments are being turned off and on. And it gets annoying, you know. But yeah, my next video will be on Bunny Lightning McQueen. Maybe today, like I did say earlier. Subscribe if you're new. Bell notification down below, like I've already said. Till the next one, peace, guys.